Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by taking direct action. Disconnect power or unlatch the cabinet and remove any faceplate or trim that hides the cam lock. Apply penetrating oil where the lock meets the housing if it feels stiff. Use a small screwdriver to pry any retaining clips and keep the cylinder steady with pliers. Once done, photograph the cam's position and note the model markings so you can reinstall the new lock correctly and avoid guessing later. Now you focus on the core extraction. Insert the key and turn to the remove position so the cam aligns with the housing opening. This lets the cylinder slide out. If the key is missing or broken, insert an extractor or use needle nose pliers to grab the core while turning slightly. Next, depress and remove the C-clip or retaining washer with a flat tool. Make sure to support the cylinder so springs or tumblers don't fall out. Once freed, slide the lock assembly. Finish by fitting the new cylinder or reusing the old one in the photographed orientation. Push it into the housing until the retainer seats. Reinstall the C-clip and test the key operation several times to confirm smooth travel before you refit the faceplate. If it's still jammed, try cleaning and light tapping. If nothing works, drilling the core is a last resort. Drill slowly at center to avoid damaging the surrounding hardware, and make sure to replace the lock afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.